So hey guys, today is 13th February 2026 and I am pretty much bullish today going into a day, and let me explain you all my market conditions for today. So going into 4 hour, we can see that this is the value gap that got disrespected, and then the market generated this huge bearish value gap, and now the market is trading inside this bearish value gap, and I want the market to retrace here, or if the market inverses this gap then we will look for shorts, but market has not reached to equilibrium yet, so I want the market to retrace till equilibrium and then continue lower, but I will catch longs towards the equilibrium, or if the market just rips up higher then I will take shorts from the equilibrium. If you go on the 1 hour, pretty much same scenario here also. Market just shopping around here. Market took the PDL and respected this 1 hour value gap, and we have one bearish value gap, and this is its 1 hour intermediate term high, and this is the 4 hour gap or the 1 hour intermediate term high. This is the starting of the 4 hour gap, so this is a nice drawn liquidity. If we go on the 15-minute, we can see that this is the 1 hour and a 15-minute intermediate term high. This is the 4 hour gap starting, and the 1 hour intermediate term high. Market has took the London highs here, and we have SMT with ES here. You can see in the ES has already took the Asia highs, so but NQ did not took the Asia highs, so we have a SMT here going into the bearish. So we have CPI data today, so we have data lows here, so I want the market to sweep the data lows, or if the market retraces till here and takes the 1 hour intermediate term low, and we have a very nice bullish SMT here, then I will take longs, or if the market disrespect this then I will wait for 10 a.m. and I will take shorts. And I think that market will give me longs today because the scenario for longs are looking very nice today. So these are pretty much my market conditions for today, and market has just opened. Let me set my OBS, and then I will catch you after I take a trade, or maybe not take a trade. And one thing also, that I was trading during CPI for the first time, so I lost around $60 there, sorry, $65 there. So it's the part of the game. You have to understand that you can do nothing about your losses, but very nice experience with CPI today. We have set out data lows, and I will catch you all after I take a trade. So guys, a banger day today. I took a win of 1:1.53 RR, and I made around $153 on the day, and by deducting the CPI loss that I lost in the CPI news event, so I made around $87 on the day. So this is my first win of 2026. Literally guys, this is my first win of 2026, and yeah, let me show you why I took that. So market opened around here, and then it chopped around. So open was horrible for some time, then it started to dump, and market took the 1 hour intermediate term low and 15-minute intermediate term low, and also swept out the data lows. It swept the data lows off open, but due to lack of good structure, I waited patiently and waited for my setup to form. And once market took this, market just tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap that market has tapped, and I saw reaction many times. So market tapped into this, and in the 15-minute we can see that market also tapped the 15-minute gap here, and the momentum was very nice. So if market even disrespected this gap, then this gap can hold up, and the low which is formed here is a high resistance low because it swept the liquidities on the left side of it. So once again I told you that your SL should be at the high resistance lows and TP should be at the low resistance lows. So you can see here we have so many relative equal lows in this area, and we have a SMT here with ES, you can see. And when market opened around here, market traded up. It generated a 5-minute intermediate term high, and then it just dumped, took out the sell side liquidity. And at the time when this setup was forming, the market has a 5-minute gap. It has only 1 minute left to generate, so I did not wanted to take this setup, but in this candle I saw a very nice V-shape recovery, and then I just get very confident to take this trade. And when this gap got inversed, I was in. with so there was really nothing stopping us from going down. We just had a very nice rejection from this low, so I was very confident about this trade. I placed my SL below the body and my target at the Asia highs. So my friend was asking that why did not I targeted the 1 hour intermediate term high or the 15-minute intermediate term high, which was just above the Asia high. So the reasoning for that is that if we go on the 15-minute, we can see a tiny 15-minute fair value gap which was holding up here, 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 and again here. So a great chance of the market is that the market will not inverse this gap because this gap held many times. So I just take what was obvious for me. And if we see that we have a SMT here before the market open, we can see that the ES took out the Asia highs, so there was a bearish SMT here, but on the NQ the market took only the London highs. So to rebalance that SMT, the sweep of Asia highs is very obvious. So for that reason, I just targeted the Asia highs and just hit a bangle trade here. So that's pretty much my recap for today. This was an A plus setup and I just gonna journal it, and I need around one trade to win to get break even on my funded account, and I need 4 trades to lose in a row to blow this funded account now. So until we meet again, be safe.